Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracle signs and wonders as recorded by Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Luke in the book of the Acts of the Apostles and the Holy Spirit. We're doing this so that we will build with faith. So may I pray say, as you hear, you will really hear with your two ears them, and that God will give a special word for hang your feet upon today. So if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you no miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goff.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 10. Around them time there, one another big crowd did gather up around Jesus. Them never have nothing for them. So Jesus called him follower them together and say, "Me sorry for them people here. I will a 3 days now them there with me. And they not nothing for them. Some of them live far, far from here, so if me send them with hungry, they might have dropped down on the road." Jesus follower them say, "We part nobody forget enough food in a this here desert place here for full all of them people your belly." Jesus asked them say, "How much bread do you not have?" 7, then say. Jesus tell the crowd of people to sit down on the ground. After that, he take the 7 bread, give thanks, and broke them up. Give him follower them for feed the people them. Then did have couple small fish too. Jesus take them, give God thanks, and give him follower them for feed the people them. Everybody yam till them belly full. And when them pick up when it left back, it full 7 baskets. About 4,000 people did there. And after they done eat, Jesus send them away. Right after he do that, him and him follower them go in a one boat and cross go Dalmanuta. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.